away from Anderson Air Base in Guam, the U.S. Air Force presents the B52. Flying in from your right and just making a flypast today, the B52 is a long-range heavy bomber that can perform a variety of missions. The bomber is capable of flying at high subsonic speeds at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. In a conventional conflict, the B-52 can perform strategic attack, close air support, air interdiction, offensive counter, air and maritime operations. For more than 40 years, the B-52 Stratton Fortress has been the backbone of the manned strategic bomber force of the United States. The B-52 is capable of dropping or launching the widest array of weapons in the U.S.